Oh my God, Joe, there's a man on the wing!
Peter, there's no man on the wing.
There is, I saw him!
Peter, stop being ridiculous.
I'm telling you, lift up the shade, there's a man on the wing!
Fine.
Hello, good afternoon, good evening, good morning and welcome. It's Nurse Richard the Wax Wizard. Thanks for joining me. I've come in from the wing now, so thanks for all your concerned messages. Really interesting ear this, and it's a lady I've seen many times. She comes about every 3 months, and you may well be wondering why the title of this video. Why is this ear like that? Well, first of all, you're thinking, like what? Like this. Can you see the eardrum? Nope. It is there, I promise you, it is there. But these are some of the most difficult ears that you will come across. And they're so small, so bendy, so narrow, so tight, so twisty. Everything that you don't want in an ear. And the reason for that is this patient has Down syndrome. Now, it may have appeared in a video before, this lady's ear. Because like I said, I do see her quite a lot. Because it is so narrow, so twisty and bendy that it does require regular cleaning, as do a lot of patients with Down syndrome. I have a lot of regulars who have that, and the reason they have so many problems with their ears is because of this, the size and the shape. So what Down syndrome does with most of them anyway, this is quite an extreme example, to be honest. Have a look at that. It can cause the ears to be slightly lower set, slightly smaller, and very often, very really narrow, bendy and twisty, and it makes them so difficult, but it means that they get blocked up quite frequently, as this young lady does. And she's young, I think she's only in her 20s. And yeah, it's if you do know anybody with Down syndrome and they've never had their ears checked, make sure you ask them to get their ears checked, because it's so prevalent, having problems with their ears, both the outer part of the ear and the inner ear as well, because it can affect the eustachian tube size as well. Just have a look at that. Now, the first time she came to see me, she did have something on her eardrum there, and thankfully, because she comes that often, we don't have to go down there anymore, which I'm so glad about, because it's so difficult to get down there when you have got something in there. Anyway, before I forget about it, today's subscriber of the day is Terry Howell. Many thanks for your messages, Terry. You are today's subscriber of the day. And here's her. If you want to be a subscriber of the day, by the way, all you got to do, leave me a message down below and saying, I would love to be a subscriber of the day. But you've got to be subscribed to the channel. Yes, it is a shameless attempt to try and get a few more subscribers, because the numbers have dropped quite a bit recently. I don't quite know why. So if you've been watching them for a while and you've never subscribed, or you think you have, then just double check. Just have a look for a link down below that says subscribe, and then just press it for me if you could. That would be lovely. Thank you very much. So never quite as bad. A second ear needs obviously a little tidy up, and yeah, this is just as an extreme example. I mean, if you looked in this ear with anything other than an endoscope, you probably wouldn't even be able to see the eardrum. If you were looking straight on, you'd be thinking, where's it gone? But it is down there, I promise you. You will get a little look at it in a little bit, just after I've tidied up a few of these little edges here. Just to, it can prevent, again, a bit of a problem further down the line if you can tidy away as much of the little edges as you possibly can. And yeah, this one's probably even more twisty than the first ear as well. So we're just going to try and peel away those little bits there. She's so lovely as well, this girl. She's not terribly verbal, but I can tell that it feels better. We get a lot of thumbs up is what she'll do when I ask her, is it hurting? Is it uncomfortable? Can you hear better? And we always get a massive thumbs up, and she starts laughing. So yeah, she's always extremely grateful. One of my favourite patients. Anyway, second ears in this, and Nothing particularly interesting or weird or unusual about them, like the first pair of ears, but just a little satisfying couple of big plugs as we're going to start peeling this away. Now you can see the skin's just holding on to the skin at the base of the ear canal. So as long as we can lift that up, it should start coming out quite nicely with a little wriggle and a little bit of encouragement. What else can we talk about? How long have we got left? About 3 or 4 minutes. I haven't done Dad Joke of the Day for a couple of episodes, and I do get messages saying, where was it today? I don't do it in every episode. And if you've never seen any of my videos before, you're thinking, why are you doing that? Just cause. That's all you need to know. It just lightens up the day, lightens up my day. Every now and then, telling a couple of silly jokes. So let's have a few from this book. Whoever got me this one, thank you very much. Did you hear about the dyslexic pimp? Bought a warehouse. Did you hear about the man who lost his left arm and left leg in a car accident? He's all right now. A few bit longer this one. Let's have a couple actually. A teacher says to one of her pupils, I know you were copying your answers in the test today off the boy sitting next to you. How can you tell that? Asked the pupil. Easy, said the teacher. When he gave the answer, I don't know, for question 10, you wrote, neither do I. 2 more. A man goes into the doctor's and says, Doctor, I keep forgetting things. How long has this been going on? Asked the doctor. How long has what been going on? Asks the man. That's very silly. Right, one more. This is a good one. This made me laugh out loud when I read this to myself just before I started recording this. A man takes his goldfish to the vet. What's the problem? Asked the vet. I think he might have epilepsy, says the man. He looks all right to me, says the vet. Ah, says the man, but you haven't seen him out of the bowl. Oh, that was really silly. I like that one. Where are we with the ear? Almost there. And when is this video coming out? I think this video is coming out between Christmas and New Year. And so I hope you've had a good Christmas. I don't know if I have or not because it's not happened yet, because I do record these videos in advance. So this is about like a couple of weeks before Christmas when I'm actually recording these. It is the busiest time of year for me, not work-wise, although most days are very busy. But in December, as well as Christmas with 3 children, which is obviously quite a lot to organise and becomes quite expensive. 2 of the kids have their birthdays in the couple of weeks before Christmas as well. So that come January, I'm absolutely skint. Because it's our Jake's birthday. 2 weeks before Christmas, and then a day after that, it's Eva's birthday. He's easy to buy presents for because he's still studying at the moment, doing his master's degree. So he's quite easy. Just send him some cash. He's absolutely that's all he needs. Eva's a bit more difficult, but she's really into her makeup, beauty products at the moment as well. I don't know why she's a bit of a girl. She's not a terribly girly girl, but I don't know where that comes from because her mother was a right tomboy when she was that age and still is. So I don't know where all that side comes from. Probably social media. Anyway, pulling out that last little plug there, and there's this is a lovely little backwards peel. This. I did wonder whether it was worth getting this, but I thought, yeah, why not? Because it might affect any skin that's trying to migrate behind it. So nice little backwards peel. Lovely looking eardrum. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, follow it, leave us a comment down below, like, blah, 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 all that gubbins. Anyway, but for now, take care of yourself, and I'll see you soon. Ta-da.